Prefixes and suffixes. A prefix is a group of letters that is added to the beginning of a word. For example, the prefix dis is the same as not, opposite of, as in disagree. So let's look over at the right at the first 4 boxes. The prefix re means again. And look to the box to its right. Reuse means to use again. The prefix pre means before. Preview means to view before seeing a movie. Now let's go back to the left. A suffix is a group of letters that is added to the end of a word. For example, the suffix less means without, as in helpless. So let's go over to the right again. The suffix ness means quality or state of being. Kindness means the quality of being kind. The suffix est means most. Fastest means the most fast. Now back to the left one more time. The original word is called the root or base word. Adding a prefix or a suffix to the root changes its meaning.